Welcome to Narayana live classes. Today we are going to explain lines and angles topic. In that 4.2 exercise sums. Myself Sudarshanachari. Okay. Now second bit, find x in the following figures. Find x. Find x in the following figures. In that, the first question is given is a diagram 93 degrees, 93 degrees, this A, B, C. This angle is 3x plus 18. 3x plus 18. So, if once observe this, these are the what linear pair of angles. Linear pair of angles nothing but sum of two angles 180 degrees. So that's why add this. So we solution we have 3x plus 18 plus 93 is equal to 180 degrees. Here linear pair. Linear pair. Okay now. So here 3x add this 11 10 111 is equal to 180. So 3x is equal to 180 minus 11. So 3x is equal to 9. Next 7 6 69. X is equal to 69 by 3. 3 2s are 3 3s are. Therefore x is equal to 23 degrees. Okay. Now in that the second first one, the second bit, first second bit, second one. So here the diagram is given. Children, the remaining problems you have to try this same like that only. Okay. So it is x minus 24. It is 29 degrees. This is given. 296 is given. Okay. So from observation, what we get here, this complete is what it is a measure of this complete angles, sum of all angles, that is 360 degrees. So that's why we have x minus 24 angle plus 29 plus 296 is equal to 360 because it is what complete angle. Complete angle. Complete angle. Okay. So now the x here minus 24 plus 29 is 5. So 5 add to this 301 is equal to 360. So x is equal to 360 minus 301. X is equal to 959 degrees. This is the measure of this. Okay. You have to try that remaining problems. So what are there in the second bit? Now third question. Third bit, in the given figure, the lines ABCD intersect at O. Angle AOC plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degrees is given. Angle BOD is equal to 40 degrees. Find angle BOE and reflex angle COE. Very very important question. So it's a question. The diagram in the diagram. The diagram is given. A, B. The CD lines are intersect at O and OE. So this is D. It is 40 degrees. Okay. Now in the question is given what given? Angle AOC plus angle BOE is equal to 40 given. Okay. Next angle BOD is equal to angle, sorry, this is 70 degrees. Next BOD is equal to 40 degrees is given. Find angle BOE. find angle BOE comma COE. So let's see solution. So given what given this sum of two angles AOC plus BOE is equal to 70 is given, and also given BOD angle is 40 degrees is given. Okay, so here AOC plus BOE, that is 40 degrees, and BOD given 40. So here children, here these two are vertical opposite angles. Okay, so can we write it is angle AOC because vertical opposite angles. Okay, by this condition these two are equal. Now substitute here AOC nothing but in this given D given D plus, so therefore D plus AOC, right? AOC write it as it is. Instead of this BOE also here BOD, so BOE AOC, BOD instead of BOE nothing but it is equal to BOE plus it is equal to AOC, sorry, BOD equal to AOC, but sum of these two 90. Okay, we have to find out this, so it is BOE, write it as it is. OE is equal to 70. But what about AOC? The measure that is 40 degrees plus BOE is equal to 70. Angle BOE is equal to 70 minus 40. Angle BOE is equal to 30 degrees. So the measure of this 30 degrees. Okay, it is a 40. And also they are asking what? COE. This angle also they are asking. This is nothing but straight angle. And this angle COE is nothing but it is complete straight angle minus these two angles. Angle AOB minus of angle AOC plus angle BOE. Already we have this 70. Sum of this 70 already we have. Okay, this is 30 degrees, not 36. Okay, so here 180 minus it is already 70 there, already given. Okay, so that is 110 degrees. It is the solution of this one. Okay, now thank you children.